As we grow older, we all worry about having neurological disorders, and the most prominent disorders that always keep folks on their toes are Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Study has found that the burden of neurological disorders was seriously underestimated by traditional epidemiological and health statistics that only take into account mortality rates but not disability traits. Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease are the top two common neurodegenerative diseases in elderly, and it is currently ranked as the third leading cause of death in the United States as a cause of death for older people. The most common feature of neurological diseases like Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease is the loss of connection between nerve cells in the brain. Neurons transmit messages between different parts of the brain and from the brain to muscles and organs in the body. As brain cells become affected by the pernicious plaque clumps, there's also a decrease in chemical messages called neurotransmitters involved in sending messages or signals between brain cells. Over time, different areas of the brain shrink. The first areas usually affected are responsible for memories. While there are no cures to Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease due to the complexity of neurological diseases by nature, several medications and supplements approved by the US FDA are used to treat mild symptoms or progressions of these diseases and also cancer cells. After decades of research by the SuperLife World team of dedicated scientists, the ingredients were amalgamated to form the superfood of SNC that contains high contents of marigold, the macular protective shield, lutein and zeaxanthin, the visual improving ingredient, ginkgo biloba extracts, the anti-inflammatory ingredient, DHA, bilberry, saffron, spearmint, Concord grapes. To add to SNC's healing, restorative and anti-aging repertoire, these ingredients not only boost the regeneration ability of neurocells within the brain, but acts as a natural protective shield against skin infections and inflammation, reduces the amount of free radical cells, blood disorders, and prevent the regression of one's vision. It is also known to improve the immune systems and boost the cell counts and blood antioxidants level in people. Boosting these natural killer cells and T cells will make sure to keep the immune systems in tip-top shape, thus also being the best defender against cancer cells. As the old saying goes, prevention is better than cure. Protect yourself and your family from these malicious diseases by taking SNC. Protect yourself and your loved ones against the horrors and the nightmares of various chronic and age-related macular diseases. Take a sachet of SNC today.